Hi, this is Mark. These are English conversation clips. Yes. Let's practice the pattern I shouldn't have plus past participle. This pattern is to express regret about something done in the past. And our pattern, I shouldn't have plus past participle, eaten, right? That's an irregular verb in the past. Ate, eaten, plus more information, so much cake. I shouldn't have eaten so much cake. It's a regret, right? This person is regretting eating so much cake because maybe they have a stomach ache, so they shouldn't have eaten so much cake. I shouldn't have forgotten my umbrella. Pattern, I shouldn't have forgotten. Past participle, forget, forgot, forgotten, plus more information, my umbrella. I shouldn't have forgotten my umbrella. Now, this person is soaking wet. They have forgotten their umbrella. It's raining very hard. They feel regret for forgetting their umbrella. I shouldn't have spent all my money. Pattern, I shouldn't have spent. Past participle, spend, spent, spent, plus more information, all my money. I shouldn't have spent all my money. This person regrets spending all their money because now he has no more money. He is hungry. He can't buy food because he spent all his money. There it goes, flying away. It is gone. He feels regret. Okay, those were 3 example sentences. Let's check the box. Okay, good. Support me on Patreon so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.